Hey, so we're on the delivery trail again, and guess where we are today? We are in beautiful Horizon Park. Now, Horizon Park is one of those communities in Spanish Town that is like, you could say it has always been one of the more prominent ones. But we're here today with beautiful Miss Violet. We have a delivery for her, and she's happy to receive it. Of course, it's our first time we're delivering to her. So I wonder what she's gonna say about us. Tell us the good,
Oh
please.
my God, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this, and you guys, you're so fast. It's on time. So I'm gonna keep using your service because I'm really impressed.
Good stuff.
Yeah,
So you have an accent.
well, I live in New York.
There you go. What did we say? No matter where you are in the world, we take it right back to your doorstep in Jamaica.
Yep.
She's from New York and she's home when she's getting her stuff.
Yes.
That is how we do.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
have
you
a good.
guys. Thank you so much.
Anything else you
I'm
want to
happy.
say? You're
I'm
happy. And
I'm
we're glad to
happy.
make you happy.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
All right. And there you have it, guys. On the delivery trail once more. Hey guys, you've been watching our videos. Why haven't you signed up yet? Come on, it's been a while. Now, you should sign up for a free shipping account with us so you can be one of our Prime members. Yeah, when you sign up, also sign up for a Platinum membership, which allows you to get 4 free shipping coupons for the year. You're missing out. Why are you missing out on all of this? Come on, be a part of the family. You know how we do it. Sign up, click the link up here. Check out at the bottom of our webpage for the promotions link. You'll know all that we're doing all day, every day. Looking forward to seeing you.